can't log into Facebook no matter what you try? Here's the guaranteed fix. Can you access your email or phone? Let me know in the comments below. First, try facebook.com/hacked. This bypasses normal login for compromised accounts. Use a different device. Sometimes local network blocks cause login loops. Reset password even if you know it. This refreshes Facebook security tokens. Try logging in at 3 a.m. local time. Facebook server are less busy then. Still stuck? Screen record the error. Facebook support responds fastest to video proof. Are you back in? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.